a man crashes through Jennifer Aniston's mansion's front gate. It would be frightening to have someone burst through the front gate of your fancy mansion property, and actress Jennifer Aniston regrettably has first-hand experience with it. The Friends star was at home when a man, whose identity is still unknown, drove his car through the Bel Air gate of her estate. We do know that Aniston strategically installed private protection on the property. Following the collision, one of the security team members dragged the driver out of the car, which is said to have been anything but accidental. Aniston was home at the time, which made it even terrifying. We don't know what she saw firsthand, but given that the gate crashing sounded deliberate, one has to ask if the culprit knew she was at her home in Los Angeles. Perhaps the man planned to break through the fence and then help himself to some expensive items because he didn't know who lived in the mansion? Just that the incident occurred in the afternoon of Monday, May 5th is all that is known. We are aware that the driver was detained by security, and that when the police got on the site, they arrested him. After that, he was arrested and accused of felony vandalism. However, as investigators examine the evidence and the man's past, further charges may still be brought. The suspect does have a criminal past, although it is minor, according to ABC7. When we originally learned about the gate crashing incident and that Aniston was at home, we assumed that she was the target of a psychotic stalker. However, nothing that would suggest such is the case has been made public thus far. Nevertheless, this is an excellent illustration of why, if you are well known and own a gated estate, it would be wise to update to a more sturdy gate and fencing, perhaps even adding retractable bollards.